keeping a good pace. He's doing good. That's it, DB. I'm proud of you, brother.
With our brothers and sisters, every time we go out to do our job, we make sure we have a par. We make sure that we're doing our job, serve this community the best we can. But sometimes, Lord, you take an angel away from us. You took a bunch of angels this week, Lord. Kids, adults, and you took away one of our heroes. But I know with you taking that away, he's got another job to do for us. Jason Dickey, you are a true brother. You are a true hero. And we are honored. And we will sacrifice every day we clock in on shift to do our job, make sure we have a par. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Thank you, brothers.
Like Wyatt gets hit by